Meadowlands. All right, pretty cool, pretty cool. Okay, Lincoln Tunnel, New York City, West 3, cool. All right, let's go back into the mall. Very sunny spot right here. So far, little big guy's doing okay. Our Pocket 3 camera, let's go. Alrighty. Let's do a time check. 6:49. 6:49 p.m. All right, 6:49 p.m. Let's go up to the top. Level 3. Haven't been on level 3 today yet. Let's take a look at the energy of the mall. Level 1 is more jumping, it looks like, than all of the levels. There's more people at level 1. We're on level 2 right now. So let's go up. Level 3. Yeah, this mall is massive. It's huge. It's pretty wild when you're going up here. You feel like you're going like on an airplane. I'm not even kidding. Looking down there, it's like, wow, so high up. It's kind of freaky when you're looking to the side when you're coming up on this here. This is very high up. Honestly, I don't even want to get close to the edge with the camera. This is very high up. This mall is massive. So this is level 3. And this is level 3, meaning like higher than most malls that I've been to. And they have another spot here you can just hang out. There's a spot here you can just hang and sit and chill. That's a good live stream spot. I'm giving myself some notes. They got the music very loud. When you come to this level, wow, everything is so loud. Very loud up here. Okay, so level 3 isn't very like huge. It's more of a looks like more of a food spot. Last time I was here, I grabbed a MrBeast Burger. Is MrBeast Burger still here? Oh, maybe not. Okay. Oh, MrBeast Burger right here. I'm looking on the other side. Okay, MrBeast Burger right here. Yeah, it was like right here on this table. Grab some grub, like right about here. It was this table, I think, right here. Or that one. It was one of these tables. And yeah, so MrBeast Burger right here. Jimmy MrBeast, fellow YouTuber. Much respect, because YouTube is a game you got to be consistent at. Okay, so let's see here. Let's walk through here. MrBeast Burger right there, you can see. Boom. Alrighty. Definitely a novelty kind of spot. Voted best burger in the world by my mom. Pretty cool, pretty cool. So yeah, let's stroll around over here. So yeah, level 3, I don't know how big it is, but I think it might be a little smaller. I'm not sure than the other levels. It seems like a little bit smaller. They got a game show spot right there. Great big game show, the game room. Hasbro. Oh, and there is a food court up here. Yeah, that's true. The food court is up here, which is definitely super awesome. So this part of the mall is kind of like a corridor in a way. Like there's not really a whole lot going on in this part. And there's a soccer ball, so the FIFA World Cup is going on. Let's see what's on the other side of this. They might have something saying FIFA World Cup. I don't know, but yeah, this looks like more like the front of it. But also you see, wow, look how high up we are. Wow. Seriously, everyone, this is high. This is a high-rise mall, for sure. This is very high. I've been on third levels of malls, but this is a high third level. Very high third level mall here. Yep, and you got It's Sugar here, level number 3. And I'm really wondering if they're connected, level 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, we are very high up here. If somebody is scared of heights or something, you're not gonna like being too close to the edges of things here. And honestly, I don't like to get too close because of having camera gear. You get kind of a little iffy, you know, concerned. So yeah, look at that. Let's celebrate Nickelodeon universe. That's the Nickelodeon spot. Pretty cool, pretty cool. New Jersey Hall of Fame. Entertainment and Learning Center. New Jersey Wall of Fame. New Jersey World Cup Special. At American Dream. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, all right, all right. Okay, so they have the rink right here, which was a watch party today. The rink, the ice skating rink, was actually a watch party today for the World Cup. Wow, amazing. Check out that TV. Pretty cool. Pretty wild, right? Pretty wild, everyone. Wow. So yeah, it is a little, this is very high up. It is a little wild up here. This is very, very high up. American Dream Mall.